Looking for a chill island escape without the crowds? Say hello to Anda, Pangasinan, your secret little probinsya paradise on Cabarruyan Island. First stop, Tondol Beach. Powdery white sand, and check this out. During low tide, you can walk way out into the sea. Next, the Anda Bridge. It's the only link to Bolinao mainland, and wow, those views. Snap your best travel pic right here. Say cheese! Time to go island hopping. Boats zip out from Tondol to secret coves and the famous End Island. Adventure mode, ON. Neighbor alert! Bolinao is right next door. Hit up golden Patar Beach and climb the historic Cape Bolinao Lighthouse for jaw-dropping views. And don't skip the Enchanted Cave. Dip into that magical blue pool. It's so refreshing and totally Insta-worthy. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and discover Anda, Pangasinan. Quiet, gorgeous, and calling your name. See you there! Mwah! Don't forget to like and follow for more travel gems!